Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble codes P2100-77 and P2101 indicate a malfunction within the Electronic Throttle Control System, also known as ETCS, in the 2023 Honda CR-V. This system controls the throttle valve's opening, allowing the engine's air intake to be precisely managed for optimal performance. The malfunction may occur if the actual throttle valve position significantly deviates from the target position, leading the powertrain control module, or PCM, to flag these codes. The PCM is a critical computer in the vehicle, orchestrating various engine functions and ensuring smooth operation. It is important to operate the throttle body safely during diagnostics. Improper handling while the vehicle is in the on mode can lead to serious injury. This troubleshooting guide will outline the components involved, potential causes, symptoms, and resolution steps for these DTCs. The primary components associated with the DTCs P2100-77 and P2101 include the throttle body and the powertrain control module, or PCM. The throttle body is located in the air intake system and directly controls airflow into the engine based on inputs from the accelerator pedal position sensor, APP sensor. The PCM is responsible for assessing data from various sensors to determine whether the throttle's position aligns with actual and desired values. If discrepancies arise, the PCM will diagnose a fault and register these codes. Additionally, MTR1 and MTR2 are related motor controls responsible for activating the throttle. Since accurate operation of the throttle body is essential for engine performance, any malfunction related to it typically raises significant issues with drivability. When diagnosing DTC P2100-77 and P2101, several possible causes should be considered. The most common cause is a malfunction in the throttle body itself, often attributed to clogging or contamination that prevents the throttle from moving freely. Another potential issue could be a faulty or malfunctioning PCM, which may fail to convey accurate signals necessary for throttle operation. Open circuits in the MTR1 or MTR2 controls can also contribute to the problem, resulting in an inability to execute the desired throttle position. Each cause must be systematically evaluated to isolate the specific source of the malfunction. When the DTCs P2100-77 or P2101 are present, several symptoms may manifest. One of the most noticeable symptoms is an unresponsive throttle, where pressing the accelerator pedal results in little to no increase in engine response. This can lead to poor acceleration performance, making driving difficult and potentially unsafe. Additionally, drivers may observe a warning illuminated on the dashboard, specifically a check engine light, indicating that the vehicle has detected a fault in the electronic throttle control system. These symptoms can significantly impact vehicle performance and should be addressed promptly. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P2100-77 or P2101 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode. This initializes the vehicle's electronic systems, including the PCM, allowing it to communicate with the vehicle's various sensors and control units. Once the vehicle is in the on mode, the next action is to perform the HDS ETCS, Electronic Throttle Control System, test using the Honda Diagnostic System. This test assesses the current status and parameters of the ETCS, providing real-time data on the throttle position. Attention should be paid to any errors detected during this test, as they will guide further troubleshooting steps and diagnostics. In the second step, start the engine to activate the vehicle's systems fully. It is crucial to accurately simulate the conditions under which the DTC was originally recorded for effective diagnosis. During this step, taking note of key parameters is vital, including engine speed, vehicle speed, and signals from the APP sensor, or accelerator pedal position sensor. This data will provide insights into whether the ETCS is functioning as intended. By monitoring these parameters, you can identify discrepancies that may still be present, which helps isolate the malfunctioning component. The third step involves cleaning the throttle body, which is critical in ensuring optimal airflow to the engine. Dirt, carbon buildup, and foreign substances can prevent the throttle valve from opening or closing correctly, resulting in discrepancies that trigger the DTCs. After cleaning, it is essential to perform the confirmation procedure again to determine if the cleaning resolved the issue. This step will help confirm whether the problem was due to clogging in the throttle body or if further investigation into other components is required. If this step resolves the issue, the DTC P2100-77, P2101 should not appear post-cleaning. In the fourth troubleshooting step, inspect the throttle body connector, specifically the male terminals within connector 6P, which connects to the throttle body. This inspection focuses on ensuring that the internal circuit is intact and functions correctly. In the IG mode, normal conditions dictate that there should be low resistance, ideally less than 1.0 kilowatts, within the throttle body. If resistance is abnormal or there's an open circuit detected, it indicates a potential issue with the throttle body itself. This assessment is crucial as it directly influences throttle performance. In this step, you'll conduct an open wire inspection for the MTR1 and MTR2 controls, both of which are essential for throttle operation. Before beginning, ensure the throttle body connector and the PCM connector B are disconnected. During this inspection, you'll measure the resistance across the MTR1 and MTR2 circuits. Normal conditions dictate that resistance should be less than 1 ohm. Should you find higher resistance or an open circuit condition, it signals a potential fault in the related wiring. Such wiring issues can lead to erratic throttle performance or DTC being triggered. The final diagnostic step involves a thorough inspection of the powertrain control module, or PCM. This module is essentially the vehicle's brain for engine management, interpreting and responding to various sensor inputs. If all previous checks reveal normal conditions, yet the DTC remains, there is a strong possibility that the PCM is malfunctioning and may require replacement. Testing protocols involve checking for continuity and ensuring that the PCM can send and receive signals correctly. If it is confirmed that the PCM is the root cause of the issue, replacing it should resolve the DTC P2100-77 or P2101. After completing repairs related to DTC's P2100-77 and P2101, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure that the vehicle operates correctly. Start by confirming that no diagnostic trouble codes are present in the system, as this indicates all detected issues have been resolved. Following this, a test drive should be conducted under varied conditions to assess the vehicle's performance. Pay careful attention to throttle response during acceleration and deceleration, as any irregularities may suggest underlying issues. Successful resolution will lead to a smooth driving experience, free of error codes. To prevent future occurrences of DTC's P2100-77 and P2101, establishing a routine maintenance schedule is essential. Regular cleaning of the throttle body helps prevent buildup that could obstruct normal operation, ensuring its longevity and efficiency. Additionally, routinely checking the sensor connections, including the throttle body and PCM connectors, can help identify any loose or corroded wires early on. Establishing such preventive measures can ensure reliable performance and minimize the likelihood of ETCS malfunctions. In summary, the diagnostic trouble codes P2100-77 and P2101 relate to malfunctions within the Electronic Throttle Control System of the Honda CR-V 2023 and later models. Understanding the components involved, such as the throttle body and PCM, is vital for effective troubleshooting. Following the outlined steps not only assists in diagnosing the issue, but also in implementing the necessary repairs. Additionally, committing to preventive maintenance practices ensures the throttle body and its connections are kept clear of obstructions, promoting optimal vehicle performance. Addressing these codes promptly enhances safety and ensures the vehicle operates smoothly. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.